Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please press the like button, share it, and please subscribe my channel. And to get further videos, please refer the description box. So in this video, we will be discussing about the topic motivation. The first we will discussing about that what is motivation, then next the process of motivation, and the last theories of motivation. So the first we will be talking about what is motivation. So motivation, uh, the meaning of motivation is it is an inner psychological force that compels a person to behave in a particular manner. It is a force which inspires people and make them willing to use their capacities and potential to work. Motivation may be defined as the process of simulating that is encouraged to take actions and to achieve desired goals. So this was the meaning of motivation. So next we will be discussing about the process of motivation. The process of motivation involves 6 steps. The first is unsatisfied needs. Then second is tension. The third is drive. Fourth is search behavior. Fifth is goal fulfillment. And last is reduction in tension. So this process, let us understand in detail about this process. So the first is unsatisfied needs. So what does unsatisfied needs means? It means that motivation begins when there is an unsatisfied need in a human being. Then second is tension. So the presence of unsatisfied needs give him tension, and this tension creates an urge to drive in the human being, and he starts looking for the various alternatives. That is the step drive. The next step is search behavior. Search behavior means that after searching for alternatives, the human being starts behaving according to the options. And after this, the goal fulfillment is there. Though this step is also known as satisfy needs. So after behaving in a particular manner for a long time, he evaluates whether he was satisfied or not. And the last step is that reduction in tension. Once the goal is satisfied or it is fulfilled, his tension gets reduced. So the last point is reduction in tension. That means after fulfilling the needs, his tension gets reduced. So this was the process of motivation. So next we will be discussing about the theories of motivation. There are two motivational theories which we will be discussing here. So these are as follows. The first is we will be discussing the Maslow's need hierarchy theory. The second is Herzberg hygiene theory, or it is also known as two-factor theory. So the first one is Maslow's need hierarchy theory. This theory was given by A.H. Maslow in 1943. So according to this theory, needs are arranged in a particular sequence starting from the lower level needs to higher level needs. Lower order needs include basic needs, safety needs, and social needs, whereas higher order needs include self-esteem and self-actualization. So this is the diagram of Maslow's need hierarchy theory. So the first one is basic or psychological needs, then second is safety or security needs, the third is social needs, fourth is self-esteem or ego needs, and the last, that is fifth, the self-actualization need. So the bottom three are considered as lower order needs according to Maslow, and the above two are considered as higher order needs. So what is psychological needs or the basic needs? It includes those needs which are important for the survival and maintenance of life. It includes food, clothing, and shelter. The second is safety and security needs, which means it includes prevention from accidents, job security, and securing some amount for the future. That is retirement benefit, old age benefit, maternity benefits, etc. etc. The next is social needs. Human beings are social animals, so after fulfilling their basic and safety needs, they wanted to fulfill their social needs by making friends and exchanging their thoughts. And the next is self esteem or ego needs. There is a need for getting self respect, getting respect from others, having a good status, and the image in the society. It is a need of achievement. The last is self actualization need. It is a need of development and growth in which employees wanted to explore their potentials and wanted to learn new things. Such, such employee gets motivated by getting challenging work and recognition in their job. Um, we and this theory also has some criticism uh, by other people on the basis which are as follows. The first is that need keeps on changing, and the second is there are people with higher order needs stronger than their lower order needs. And one more criticism was there, at one point of time there can be different needs to be satisfied or there is overlapping of needs. So this was all about the Maslow's need hierarchy theory. The next theory is Herzberg hygiene factor or two-factor theory. Frederick Hertzberg has given an important theory of motivation which is also known as two-factor theory or Hertzberg hygiene theory. He conducted a research in the USA and found two important factors which are Hertzberg factors, which are also known as motivators, intrinsic factors or satisfiers. And the second is hygiene factor, which is also known as maintenance factor, extrinsic factors and dissatisfier. So first we will be discussing about the Hertzberg factor. What is Hertzberg factors? So as in the diagram you can see that if the Hertzberg factors are present, then the people are satisfied and are motivated. If the Hertzberg factors are absent, there is no satisfaction and no motivation. So what does Hertzberg factor mean? So these are also known as motivators, intrinsic factors, satisfiers. These factors provide motivation to the employees. Manager can increase the satisfaction level by increasing the Hertzberg factors or satisfiers. If the Hertzberg factors are present, then the employees are motivated, but if these are missing or absent, then there is no satisfaction or no motivation. So in the middle of the diagram you can see that it is written advancement, growth, learning, recognition, challenging work. So these are all Hertzberg factors. So next we will be discussing about the hygiene factor. So hygiene factor they are also known as dissatisfiers, maintenance factors or extrinsic factors. If the hygiene factors are present in the job of a worker, then the worker are not dissatisfied, but if these factors are not present, then the workers are highly dissatisfied. These factors are known as maintenance factors because they maintain the working life of a person. They are known as extrinsic factors because they are related with the factors which are outside the job. So for motivating the employees, Hertzberg factors are required to be given to the employee for preventing the dissatisfaction, and hygiene factors must also be given to the employees. So this was all about the theories of motivation